everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and if you're new here, I'm so glad you joined us, and I hope you will stick around and subscribe. I have different content. I'm going to try some even content that I haven't had on my channel coming up this year, and I want to share with you my Boxycharm. This is the base box for July. I also wanted to share with you the 2 add-ons that I purchased. Let me start with those before I get into the box. Okay, first item is the LMS Superfood. This is the Circa Calming Cleansing Foam. Not sure how you pronounce that, but this is one of the LMS products that had been in a previous box. I didn't receive it. I have received another LMS from, I think it was last year, that came in a jar. There was another LMS I had my eye on that came in a tube form, but this is the one that it had more milliliters, and so I thought, well, let me try this one. And I do enjoy cleansing products as well, so I think this was $6, which is really good because LMS is very expensive. And then this product is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay. Some people were receiving this in their base box. This is their Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. If you saw my previous video from last month for my add-ons, I did purchase the setting powder. So when I saw this was coming up in boxes, which I didn't really expect to get it, which I didn't, but this one I couldn't resist. It has the sprayer that looks like this, and I am very anxious to try this. I love the smell of coconut. This has a very fine sprayer. Let me see if I can demonstrate that without it going everywhere, but I don't know if it's going to be, I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah, you can't see it on camera, but it is a very fine mist. It does smell like coconut. Okay, on to the base box. Okay. Boxycharm Sunshine. And that's perfect for July because there is a lot of sunshine in July. This is, I don't know if you can, it'll focus in on it. This is variation number 30. I don't think it's going to focus on it. Okay, let me get into items. This is my choice item, and if you did watch my last video, I did have this as a add-on. And then I ended up, actually what I did is I chose this, and then I ended up shopping the add-ons and buying it as well. The NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. I could not resist choosing it and then picking up it as an add-on, because since this is like over $100, I believe they said this was a $135 product. I love serums, especially as you get older, like me, that's over 40. You definitely want to try out some serums. I have not opened this yet. I haven't opened up the other one yet, but I will as soon as I work through my serums. And this comes in the glass container. Has the dropper. So, my next item is from Hourglass. This is the arch, brow arch sculpting pencil. I love anything like this for brows. This is in warm blonde, but actually it is not. It's more like a taupe to me, because I have light brown eyebrows, and this works perfect for me. Let me see if I can show you that it's actually not as light I mean, it is for a light brown, but it's not me. See, that works well for me. But some people, it was not, I guess, that received this in their box. It was too light for them. And then I received, I'll show you, a lot of people were wanting these. I was really surprised. This was a surprise to receive these in my box. If I can get these to focus. This is the Brazilian Joya conditioner and shampoo. I don't know if those are focusing in at all, but I was very happy to receive these. These are 3 ounces each, and they're quite pricey. They are $24. I don't know, I guess that's for the set. I know they sell these at Sephora, and they do have the same fragrance as the Bum Bum Cream, which I do have a little small thing of that. And the Hourglass, that was, forgot to tell you, that pencil was $28. And then I also received, this is the Douce, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Fierce and Fine graphic pen. This is $21. It does have the really sharp pointy end to it, making the wings. I think this is just in black. Sometimes they have different names for black, but I think it was just, my understanding, it was just in black. It doesn't have, I don't think it says on here. But anyway, I'm always happy with Douce or Douche products. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but, and then the last item, yeah, this is the last one, and this is the Ace Beauté, or is it Ace Beauty? I think it's Ace Beauté. Ace Beauty. This is the Bronzed in Paradise. Look at that with the mirror, and look at those gorgeous colors. Let's see if I can swatch. This is the darker. See how much pigment that is? That is gorgeous. Look at that. So I'm really happy with this item. I think this was a great box. I pretty much got things that were actually advertised to be in the box. That one, I think it was last month, that I received items that were not advertised. Only thing was my choice item. That was actually, everything else was like, had been in previous boxes. I really didn't understand that. And the box before that, where they had the wipes, and I think there was a palette, there's a palette that everybody wasn't as happy with, but because of the pigmentation. But I wasn't, that had everything that it was advertised. Last month's box did not, just other than the Professional that I picked out. But this was perfect. I am very happy with this box. I received everything that was advertised, and I was happy. I got my choice item, plus these other items I'm really happy with. I hope that you are happy with your box. I'll check out videos to see what everybody else received. I'm so glad that you are watching and seeing what's in my box, and I will have other content coming up. I'm very supportive of their channel, so I hope we can support each other, I'll support your channel, support my channel, and I just would really love to also share with you other content, maybe do some other get ready with me and product reviews, and I hope you are enjoying your day, and thank you so much for watching.